Hello viewers, welcome to the today's 1 minute class. In today's 1 minute class, we are going to learn about the move tool. And to use the move tool, we will place these by using the move tool, we will place these doors on its location, one door over here and another one over here. To start the move command, you will have to go to the modify toolbar. In the modify toolbar on the top left corner, you will find this move tool. When you click on the move tool, you will be asked to select the object that you want to move. When I select the object, I will press enter. After pressing the enter, I am asked to specify the base point which I will use and move my object. I will specify the base point as the center of the door frame, and then I will be asked to move it to the second point or the desired location. I want to place the door on this center point of this wall. Press the right key, press the left key, sorry, and it will be placed. Again, I will press M for a shortcut key of move tool, move command. I will press enter and I will specify the base point. Again, I will specify the same base point and I will specify the second point, which is my desired location point. I will specify the point and it will be moved to the desired location. So viewers, this was our move tool. Until the next class, goodbye.